Now Dan's going to replace the gear lube. Don't use the old gear lube even if it came out clean. We keep our gear lube in a 5-gallon bucket. That's how we buy it because we go through so much of it. But if you're just doing the job yourself, you can buy little quart jars at the part store. And a differential like this will take between 1 and 2 quarts of oil normally. So now he's pumping the gear lube in there. If you have a limited slip differential, make sure you use limited slip gear additive. Put that in first before you start with the gear lube. He just pumps it until it starts to dribble out, and then he'll put the plug in there. And this is state of the art. You know, that's how the level is checked. Is you fill it up to the threads there, and he'll go ahead and clean this all up when he's done. The plug in the differential is held in with a square drive that's the same as a 3/8 ratchet.